Hello. Let's learn some colors name. Orange color, red color, purple color, black color, brown color, violet color, dark blue color, green color, yellow color. Let's learn some alphabets. A for apple. B for ball. C for candy. D for doll. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hat. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for king. L for lemon. M for mango. N for nuts. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rainbow. S for sun. T for tree. U for uniform. V for van. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zero. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.